Fish and chips and vinegar, vinegar, vinegar.
Alright, home cooks, today I'm putting a classic fish fry debate to the test. Should you fry your battered fish in beef dripping or plain old oil? Now, beef dripping has been the gold standard in traditional British chippies for generations. It's got a rich, meaty aroma and gives your fish a golden, ultra-crisp crust. I mean, when you bite through that shell, it's next level satisfying. The flavor? Imagine your fish and chips with a subtle hint of Sunday roast. Yeah, it's that good. But let's talk oil. Vegetable oil is cleaner, lighter, and a bit more neutral. It lets the delicate flavors of your fish and the seasoning in your batter shine through. Plus, it's less likely to overpower the dish if you're using a mild white fish like cod or haddock. So, what's the verdict? If you want that old school, nostalgic chip shop experience, go for beef dripping. It's indulgent and seriously flavorful. If you're after something lighter or cooking for a crowd with mixed tastes, stick with oil. You'll get all the crispiness without the extra punch. No matter what you choose, make sure your fat's piping hot, around 180 deg or 350 deg, so your batter puffs up and your fish stays juicy. So, which side are you on, dripping or oil? Let me know in the comments, and happy frying.
I would really appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thank you.